Binary to decimal function converts a binary number to decimal. This function has only one argument. In number argument, type the binary number or select the cell reference that contains binary number which you want to convert to decimal. The cell must contain number with zeros and ones. Number cannot contain more than 10 characters. If any cell has more than 10 characters, then function returns num error value. In number box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function converts this binary number to decimal number and returns 26 in this cell. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Move your pointer on engineering function. Click Binary to Decimal function. In number box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function convert this binary number to decimal and returns 5 in this cell. Now paste the formula in other cell. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Active this cell. Function returns num error value in this cell. Because this cell contains characters more than 10. As a result, function returns num error value in this cell. Active this cell. Function converts this binary number to decimal number and returns negative 148 number in this cell. In this way, you can convert binary number to decimal by using binary to decimal function.